Okay. So, which year passed out you are?
26.
26. Okay, so your BTech and 2026 passed out. Okay, done. So you stay in Warangal or you are in Hyderabad now?
Presently, I came hometown, Warangal.
Okay. So in Hyderabad, where do you stay in Hyderabad, Gautam?
Borabanda.
Okay, you stay in Bodabanda. Okay, done. Perfect. So you are would like to learn it for the job purpose. Agree?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Perfectly all right. So 2026 and you're going to complete, did you complete your exams or you're going to get completed?
Completed.
Exams have been completed. Now you're looking for course and then would like to get a job. Agree?
Yes.
Okay, done. Perfect. So, hi Prashant, this is Upendar this side. Hi Prashant Kumar. So, this is Upendar this side. Can you hear my voice, Prashant?
Yeah, hello. Can you give me a minute and join?
Okay, fine, perfect. So once you are back, please let us know. I would like to know about your details.
Okay, sure.
Yeah, done, perfect. Okay, done, guys. So to the both Gautam and Prashant, so one thing that we would like to tell you, so we are providing the digital marketing course, and this is going to be completely with real-time projects and which would help you to give you the practical knowledge. Okay, done. So now we will talk about the few aspects. Now we will talk about what is digital marketing. So digital marketing and AND. Okay, and most importantly, what are the modules? What the modules we have in digital marketing? So modules ఏముంటాయి? Okay, done. And then we will talk about the career opportunities in the digital marketing. So career opportunities ఏముంటాయి మనకి? Okay, done. And after that we will be talking about especially something called the experience jobs. Yeah. So Prashant, you are back.
Yes, I'm back.
Okay, can you please let me know about your education qualifications and your background, Prashant?
Actually, I have 6+ years of experience in digital marketing.
Okay, you're already experienced.
I'm looking for an advanced course. I basically worked on Meta ads, email marketing, LinkedIn,
Okay.
and like WhatsApp marketing like Marty Tool and Google Ads. So I'm just looking for a advanced digital marketing course which includes mostly into paid ads, not into SEO. So this is my requirement.
Understand. You're looking for job or you're looking to only upgrade your skills?
Upgrade my skills. Actually, I quit my job and moved to Bangalore.
Okay.
I want to upgrade and try for jobs now.
Okay, you would like to upgrade your skills there.
Basically, I worked for a software company. It's a B2B SaaS product, software as a service.
Got it.
For us, it was completely into lead generation because leads only works for us, and the lead gets converted.
Understand.
So for us,
Got it. That. So you're comfortable in both English and Telugu or only English? You're comfortable in English and Telugu or only English?
English, Telugu, both.
Both you are comfortable. Where is your native place?
Both the languages. Yeah, both.
Where is your native place?
I'm from Bangalore only.
Okay, you're from Bangalore itself. Okay, fine. Perfect. You're all right. Done. So please observe it for next 20 to 30 minutes and most of your questions will be clear. You are looking to upgrade and we have a Gautam that side and Gautam also would like to get a job done. So I would clear your requirement. I would clear his requirement also. And after 20 to 30 minutes and if you have any doubts further, you can get back to me then. Okay.
Okay, I have one more question. This is regarding freelance job. So how can you assist me in this one?
Freelancing opportunities, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Perfect. I'll talk about freelancing opportunities also then. Okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Done, Prashant. Done, Gautam. Okay. So please be there for next 20 to 30 minutes. You will be able to understand everything then. Okay? Done. Perfectly all right, guys. So now we're going to talk about the digital marketing and ఏంటి. We knows about it. It is all about promoting a business in online. So online లో ఒక business ని promote చేయడం అనేది it is all about the digital marketing. So what are the modules? Modules ఏముంటాయి and career opportunities ఎలా ఉంటాయి? And most importantly, now as Prashant was talking about, he wanted to do the freelancing. So the career opportunities are always in terms of job, that everybody would look for job, but in the digital we have a huge advantage in terms of doing the freelancing projects. We have a huge advantage in terms of freelancing projects. Done. So we can focus on job to get a good package and to create the second source of income. The freelancing projects is always for to create the second source of income. So we can have a second source, the backup source could be anything. So we can create the second source of income via freelancing projects, but how you can crack them up. And most importantly, this is the AI world, and we need to use AI tools, and which is at advanced level, and AI valla manaki benefit undi. So because of AI tools and AI technology, there's a huge benefit for the digital marketing, and that benefit we have to leverage it. Done. So I would be giving you the clear picture that digital marketing ante enti, అందులో ఉన్న modules మీరు ఏం నేర్చుకుంటారు. Now it is advanced level and starting level, it's a foundation level. You are going to learn at the advanced and also foundation. So then career opportunities, and most importantly freelancing opportunities, and it is all about creating second source of income. And when it comes to the AI technology into the digital marketing, how we are going to leverage it, that is also we're going to see it. Done. So now try to understand one thing before we talk all this. Now, as I told before, we do provide the digital marketing course on the real-time projects, and to gain the practical knowledge, and most importantly to gain the most advanced knowledge, in the digital marketing. So we have our own digital marketing agency. This point is most important for both of you. We have the digital marketing agency, and we do provide digital marketing services to the various companies, and we do provide to the various businesses. Yeah. So for those will be, if we have IT companies in the projects in our clients list, and we do have hospitals, and we do have real estate companies, and we do have interior, and we do have international schools. So we have a lot of projects in our digital marketing agency. Now this is the agency segment, and in the agency we have the projects, and for these projects we have to implement digital marketing. So how we are implementing digital marketing for these businesses, we are showing practically live in the classes. So this point is important for the people who would like to upgrade their skills, and they will get exposure to different businesses. And for those businesses, how we are doing the campaigns on Facebook, campaigns on Instagram, campaigns on Google, campaigns on YouTube, everything will be shown practically, everything will be shown in live in the classes on the real-time projects, on the real-time businesses. And in terms of optimizing the campaigns, ఎక్కువ leads రావడానికి, ఎక్కువ customers రావడానికి, and ఎక్కువ sales రావడానికి, so what kind of optimizations, what kind of strategies we are using it in the agency, that everything we are going to show it in the classes on the live projects. And these projects are our own clients and our own businesses, and we are going to show you everything practical in the classes. And most importantly, all these classes are going to be recorded by default. So though they are our real-time projects and live projects, We're going to record all these classes, and so that you will be having access to recorded classes for your whole lifetime. Done. But try to understand here. Here we are here to provide real-time experience, and most importantly on upgraded version, where we are practically implementing the sponsored ads on Facebook, the sponsored ads on Instagram, and sponsored ads on Google, sponsored ads on YouTube. You will be learning practically, and in fact, once you learn everything practically, you can directly apply for experience jobs. So this is our main important motto. We wanted people to apply for experience jobs, not to go like a freshers. In case that if you have any career gap, and though you are a fresher, or maybe you are an experienced, it doesn't matter. If you want any real-time experience and you wanted to keep it on your resume, because you doesn't need to go like a fresher, you can have experience added on your resume. It could be for 1 year, it could be for 2 years, it could be for 3 years. You can add this real-time experience on the resume, and you will be eligible to apply for experience jobs directly. Based on the number of years experience, you are keeping it on the resume. So for this experience, whatever the documents you require, the documents in the sense, it could be like offer letter, it could be like the pay slips, and it could be like relieving letter, and it could be like experience letter. So all these documents again will be provided from our own company. I understand people would like to go like a fresher, but in terms of fresher, the freshers will be having always less packages. But if you can go like an experienced and going to apply for experienced jobs, and your package will be dependent on your current CTC. However, you say I was getting 25,000 per month, then your package will be more than 25,000 rupees per month. నాకు ఆల్రెడీ 30,000 వస్తుంది అని చెప్తే మనకి ప్యాకేజ్ అనేది more than 30,000 ఉంటుంది. And if you say I was getting 35,000 already, then you can say that you will get a package more than 35,000. Done. So in case if you are just a basic fresher, for a basic fresher also, we recommend the people to add at least 6 months experience, and we say that you are getting already 20,000 rupees per month and you are expecting more than this, then you have a scope to get at least 3 lakhs package, in your starting job. And if you are experienced and would like to get a bigger package, and bigger package around probably 6 LPA, probably 7 LPA, and for that we can add at least 3 to 4 years experience. On the resume, and we can say my current package is already 5.5 LPA. I'm expecting more than this. Then you have a scope in terms of getting the better package, the more package than 5.5 LPA. Because here we would be teaching everything on our clients' projects, our clients' businesses. And for these clients' businesses, whatever you're going to learn is going to be completely on real time, and completely it is going to give you the practical knowledge. That's the most important thing. Done. So this is our concept during the training. So we do provide this real-time experience, and real-time experience on the most biggest clients, and where we are spending 1 crore per year. So there are some clients కోటి రూపాయలు స్పెండ్ చేస్తుంటాం every year, and monthly we are spending some 5 to 10 lakhs. So such kind of clients, such kind of ad accounts also you will be see it in the classes, and that will give you a real-time experience, and that will give you a complete practical experience. And looking at such kind of clients, the most importantly, you will build something called confidence. So మనం కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ బిల్డ్ అవుతుంది. in terms of digital marketing. Once the confidence is built, we can directly go for experienced jobs so that we can crack the good packages, or we are confident in terms of talking about strategy, then we can even try to approach or we can try to grab the freelancing projects too. So how we can grab freelancing projects, we will be helping you out. So here you are supposed to prepare a proper visiting card, or we call it as a proper business card. And there are two ways that we can grab freelancing projects. One is we can go in the offline with a visiting card, or we can go with online freelancing portals. We can go with online freelancing portals. So freelancing would help us to create the second source of income. మనకి సెకండ్ సోర్స్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్కమ్ క్రియేట్ చేయడానికి ద ఫ్రీలాన్సింగ్ వుడ్ ఆల్వేస్ హెల్ప్ us. మన ప్రైమరీ సోర్స్ అనేది జాబ్, అండ్ జాబ్ నుంచి వచ్చే సాలరీ అనేది ప్రైమరీ సోర్స్, అండ్ సెకండరీ సోర్స్ అనేది మన ఫ్రీలాన్సింగ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్. అంటే మనం వేరే వాళ్ళకి, బయట ఉన్న కంపెనీస్కి వీ కెన్ ప్రొవైడ్ డిజిటల్ మార్కెటింగ్ సర్వీసెస్. ప్రొవైడ్ చేసినందుకు వాళ్ళు మనకి 15,000, 20,000, 30,000 రూపీస్ పర్ మంత్ వాళ్ళు మనకు పే చేస్తారు as a freelancing fee, and that is how we can get more freelancing projects, and we can try to get or create the second source of income. So offline IT, we will be visiting, or we will be attending the business meetings. So the business meetings అవుతా ఉంటాయి, business gatherings అవుతా ఉంటాయి, business expos అవుతా ఉంటాయి at different places. It could be in Bangalore, it could be in Hyderabad. మనం వాటికి అటెండ్ అవ్వటం వల్ల we can take our visiting card, we can go and meet them, we can tell them that I'm into the digital marketing from lot many months and lot many years, and I can help your business to grow in terms of digital. I can help your business to generate leads. I can help your business to generate a proper return on investment. So we can pitch it. So for that pitching, you're supposed to have the pitch deck, and we would be helping you to prepare the pitch deck. And after that, you're supposed to need a quotation to give for freelancing. You're supposed to prepare a strategy for business, and you're supposed to give invoices for business. We would be helping you out for all these things. To prepare a pitch deck, to prepare a quotation, to prepare a strategy, to prepare invoices, and what kind of pitching you should talk to the business people in this business gatherings, business meetings, or business expos. We would be guiding on this freelancing projects. So this is especially when it comes to the offline. So offline, so we have to go in a very professional format. When we go in a very professional format, we have a scope in terms of grabbing a freelancing project. But when we talk about online, మనం ఆన్లైన్ గురించి మాట్లాడుకుంటే, so we have lot of portals ఉన్నాయి, something called Fiverr and Freelancer, and there's something called Upwork and People Per Hour, and then we have something called Guru. So we have these portals where we can create our portfolio. We need to create our portfolio there. We need to put our projects, we need to put our experience, we need to put our skills. Then we can try to grab this online freelancing projects. So we have a dedicated classes on this Fiverr, Freelancer, Upwork, People Per Hour, Guru.com. Let's say I'm going to the Google and I'm looking for freelancer.in. It is an online portal, and from here you can try to make money freelancing. You can see a button, earn money from freelancing. You can do freelancing job in terms of digital marketing. You can do it in data entry. You can do it in content writing. You can do it in graphic designing. What are the work we take it up? We can find out freelancing works, and we does it, and we will get paid. So I would be introducing to you to this a lot of online freelancing portals where we can grab online projects to make money out of it. Yeah, but this is completely to create the second source of income. So your primary source of income is always your job, and the job will give you the fixed package, a fixed salary. That is going to be your primary source. And the secondary source, you can try getting freelancing projects. The freelancing projects would help us to create the second source of income, and primary source of income will be our job. That's our priority. And whenever we find time, then we can focus on online freelancing projects, or we can focus on offline freelancing projects. Done? Perfectly all right. So this is all about our strategy in terms of helping the students to gain their upgraded expertise knowledge, and so that freshers can crack the job very easily with a good package, and experienced people can even go for freelancing projects, can even get a good package above 6 LPA or 7 LPA based on the experience or based on the knowledge they gain that during the classes. Yeah, done. So when it comes to the digital marketing, it is very simple. It is all about the promoting a business in online. Promoting a business in online, and most importantly to get more customers, or to generate more inquiries for business, or to get more leads. And what is a lead? The lead means customer info, the customer name, phone number, email ID. That is called customer info, the customer lead. And if it is e-commerce, we are supposed to generate more sales. And most importantly, for any business, the brand awareness is important, and for any business to get more reach is also most important. Yeah. So if somebody asks you what is the digital marketing, it is all about promoting a business in the online to get more customers, and to get more inquiries, and to generate more leads, and to create the more brand awareness, and also to get more reach. And this is something we call it as the digital marketing. And it is also called it as the inbound marketing. The digital marketing is also called it as the inbound marketing. Okay, perfectly all right. So digital key against we have something called the traditional marketing. So in terms of traditional, we use different channels. Like a newspaper, the newspaper ads gani, or we use something called pamphlets gani, or we use something called TV ads gani, or the radio ads gani. So we does this kind of traditional marketing channels to promote the business. But problem intended traditional, it is a very expensive, chala expensive, and reach kuda takkuga untundi, reach will be very very less. And most importantly, the physical effort anedi chala ekkuva. The physical effort is very more, and for that reason, the many of the businesses are shifting it from the traditional marketing to the digital marketing. Yeah, traditional is also called as outbound marketing antam, and digital marketing ni we call it as inbound marketing antam. Yeah, so by using both traditional and by using the digital, we will be promoting a business. And to get more revenue, and to get the more profits. Yeah, we will be working in this segment, and that segment is the digital marketing, or it is also called as inbound marketing. Done. So this is all about digital marketing. When it comes to the modules, so we will be talking about mostly about two sections. One is we talk about the social media platforms, or we talk about the social media marketing. The business ni manam ela promote chestamo social media lo. So here we talk about the business ni ela promote cheyochu Facebook lo, the business ni ela promote cheyochu Instagram lo. If Facebook and Instagram both combined, we call it as meta antam manam. ఒక బిజినెస్ని ఎలా అడ్వర్టైజ్ చేయొచ్చు అండ్ ట్విట్టర్లో, ఒక బిజినెస్ని ఎలా అడ్వర్టైజ్ చేయొచ్చు లింక్డ్ఇన్లో, ఒక బిజినెస్ని ఎలా అడ్వర్టైజ్ చేయొచ్చు క్వరాలో. సో ఇన్ దిస్ యూ వుడ్ బి లెర్నింగ్ దట్ హౌ యూ కెన్ క్రియేట్ ద స్పాన్సర్డ్ యాడ్స్. మనం స్పాన్సర్డ్ యాడ్స్ ఎలా క్రియేట్ చేయొచ్చు, ఒక బిజినెస్ని ప్రమోట్ చేయడానికి ఎక్కడ ఫేస్బుక్ కానీ ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్ కానీ ఆర్ ట్విట్టర్ కానీ లింక్డ్ఇన్ కానీ క్వరా కానీ ఒక బిజినెస్ని ఎలా ప్రమోట్ చేయొచ్చు సోషల్ మీడియా ప్లాట్ఫామ్స్లో సో దాట్ మనకి కస్టమర్స్ ఎక్కువ వస్తారు మన బిజినెస్కి అండ్ లీడ్స్ కూడా ఎక్కువ జనరేట్ చేస్తాం మనం అండ్ వీ ఆల్సో జనరేట్ వాట్ అగైన్ ఎంక్వైరీస్ అండ్ వీ ఆల్సో జనరేట్ వాట్ అగైన్ సేల్స్ సో ఇందులో మనకి వాట్ ఆర్ ద అడ్వాన్స్డ్ స్ట్రాటజీస్ ఏమున్నాయి అండ్ what is the kind of A by B testing models ఏమున్నాయి అనేది we will be learning completely in this section which talks about social media marketing అంటే సోషల్ మీడియా ప్లాట్ఫామ్స్ని ఎలా మనం మేనేజ్ చేయొచ్చు అండ్ ఎలా మనం మెయింటైన్ చేయొచ్చు అండ్ లీడ్స్ ఎలా జనరేట్ చేయొచ్చు ఒక బిజినెస్కి అండ్ అది కూడా తక్కువగా ఇన్వెస్ట్మెంట్ పెట్టి ఎక్కువగా లీడ్స్ ఎలా జనరేట్ చేయాలి అండ్ వాట్ ఆర్ దోస్ ఆప్టిమైజేషన్ టెక్నిక్స్ ఏంటి ఆప్టిమైజేషన్ స్ట్రాటజీస్ ఏంటి and ABB techniques and all these things you would be learning in the classes. Most importantly, ivanni meer ekkada neerchukuntaru, you would be learning it on the live projects. Manaki agency undi kada, we have the digital marketing agency. In the agency we have the projects and our projects ki manam social media marketing ante sponsored ads ela create chestunnam Facebook lo and sponsored ads ela create chestunnam Instagram lo and sponsored ads ela create chestunnam LinkedIn lo. We will be showing it everything practically and so that you will get the complete foundation and complete expertise knowledge in the social media marketing. So this is one of the biggest module in terms of digital marketing and social media tarvata we have one more which is called the search engine marketing. We call it as search engine marketing. So it is also very simple. Manaki how we can create the sponsored ads ala create chestamu, the sponsored ads on Google lo gaani, the YouTube lo gaani and Bing search engine lo gaani, the sponsored ads ala create chestamu and for what reason again? ఎక్కువ లీడ్స్ జనరేట్ చేయడానికి ఎక్కువ ఎంక్వైరీస్ జనరేట్ చేయడానికి మనకి ఈ-కామర్స్ ప్రొడక్ట్ బేస్డ్ అయితే ఎక్కువ సేల్స్ జనరేట్ చేయడానికి అండ్ బ్రాండ్ అవేర్నెస్ క్రియేట్ చేయడానికి అండ్ ఎక్కువ రీచ్ రావడానికి మనం స్పాన్సర్డ్ యాడ్స్ ఒక బిజినెస్ని ఎలా ప్రమోట్ చేస్తాము గూగుల్లో ఎలా ప్రమోట్ చేస్తాము యూట్యూబ్లో ఎలా ప్రమోట్ చేస్తాము బింగ్లో ఎలా ప్రమోట్ చేస్తాము అనేది we would be learning in this module. So the digital marketing ante the digital marketing is all about the social media and then it is all about the search engines. Social media ante Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, sometimes Twitter and search engine ante Google, YouTube, Bing. వీటన్నిటిని కలిపి we call it as the digital marketing. సో వీటితో పాటుగా సోషల్ మీడియాలో ఎలా ప్రమోట్ చేయాలి, సెర్చ్ ఇంజిన్స్లో ఎలా ప్రమోట్ చేయాలి అండ్ అడ్వాన్స్డ్ టెక్నిక్స్ ఏంటి, మనం తక్కువ కాస్ట్లో లీడ్స్ ఎలా జనరేట్ చేస్తాము అండ్ వాట్ ఆర్ ద డిఫరెంట్ A by B స్ట్రాటజీస్ ఏమున్నాయి, A by B టెస్టింగ్ స్ట్రాటజీస్ ఏమున్నాయి అనేది we would be learning on the real time projects. మనకి ఏజెన్సీలో ఉన్న ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ మీద మనం రియల్ టైం నేర్పిస్తాం సో దాట్ యూ విల్ గెట్ ద మోస్ట్ అడ్వాన్స్డ్ నాలెడ్జ్ డన్. అండ్ వీటితో పాటుగా ఒక వెబ్సైట్ని ఎలా బిల్డ్ చేస్తాము, ఒక వెబ్సైట్ని ఎలా డిజైన్ చేస్తాము అనేది యూ విల్ బి లెర్నింగ్ ఇట్ ఆఫ్. అండ్ వీటితో పాటుగా గ్రాఫిక్ డిజైనింగ్ మనం ఎలా చేస్తాము అండ్ వీడియో ఎడిటింగ్ ఎలా చేస్తాము యూ వుడ్ బి లెర్నింగ్ దీస్ ఆల్సో ఇన్ ద క్లాసెస్. ద వెబ్సైట్ డిజైనింగ్ కానీ గ్రాఫిక్ డిజైనింగ్ కానీ అండ్ వీడియో ఎడిటింగ్ కానీ. సో ఈ మూడు అనేది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఇఫ్ యూఆర్ ప్లానింగ్ టు గ్రాబ్ ద ఫ్రీలాన్సింగ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్. అంటే బయట ఉన్న గ్రాఫిక్ డిజైనర్స్, వీడియో ఎడిటర్స్ అండ్ వెబ్ డెవలపర్స్ మీద డిపెండ్ కాకుండా మనంతటిగా మనమే టు హ్యాండిల్ అవర్ ఓన్ ఫ్రీలాన్సింగ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ హ్యాండిల్ చేసుకోవడానికి వీఆర్ సపోజ్ టు హ్యావ్ ద నాలెడ్జ్ ఆన్ website design and development. We're supposed to have the knowledge on graphic designing and also the video editing part. So if you go to one Merpistem classes so that you will get the expertise knowledge in all these three. And video partaga we will be talking about the WhatsApp marketing and WhatsApp lo ela promote cheyochu and SMS marketing, and we will be also talking about influencer marketing. అంటే మనకి ఇన్ఫ్లుయెన్సర్స్ వాడి మనం ఎలా ఒక బిజినెస్ని ప్రమోట్ చేయొచ్చు. అండ్ వీ విల్ బి ఆల్సో టాకింగ్ అబౌట్ ద సిఆర్ఎం టూల్స్ అంటాం. డిఫరెంట్ టూల్స్ ఉంటాయి మనకి. ద సిఆర్ఎం టూల్స్ అంటే మనకి జనరేట్ చేసిన లీడ్స్ అన్ని మనం మేనేజ్ చేయడానికి ఈ టూల్ని వాడతాం మనం. ద సిఆర్ఎం స్టాండ్స్ ఫర్ ద కస్టమర్ రిలేషన్షిప్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ టూల్. అండ్ సిఆర్ఎం టూల్స్ నేర్చుకుంటాం. మనకి గూగుల్ టూల్స్ ఉంటాయి. ద గూగుల్ టూల్స్ అంటే ద గూగుల్ ట్యాగ్ మేనేజర్ అని చెప్పి, అండ్ గూగుల్ అనలిటిక్స్ అని చెప్పి, అండ్ గూగుల్ సెర్చ్ కన్సోల్ అని చెప్పేసి. సో వీ విల్ బి లెర్నింగ్ దిస్ మోస్ట్ అడ్వాన్స్డ్ టూల్స్ ఆఫ్ గూగుల్. ఇవన్నీ డేటా రిపోర్ట్ జనరేషన్కి యూజ్ అవుతాయి మనకి. సో వీ వుడ్ బి లెర్నింగ్ దిస్ ద గూగుల్ టూల్స్ ఆల్సో, ద గూగుల్ ట్యాగ్ మేనేజర్, గూగుల్ అనలిటిక్స్, అండ్ గూగుల్ సెర్చ్ కన్సోల్. And most importantly, as I said before, we would be learning different AI tools. And the chat GPT వాడి how we can create images, and Google Flow అనే ఒక AI tool ఉంటుంది. Google Flow ని వాడి how we can create AI videos, and Hey Gen అని ఒక AI tool ఉంటుంది. దాన్ని వాడి how we can create the videos part. And Perplexity is one more such kind of AI tool, and Google Gemini is and one more AI tool. కాంటెంట్ రాయడానికి copy.ai. ఇలా మనకి చాలా AI టూల్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఆల్ దోస్ AI టూల్స్ విల్ బి టాట్ ఇన్ ద క్లాసెస్. ఈ టూల్స్ అన్ని మీకు క్లాసెస్లో మీరు నేర్చుకుంటారు. సో దాట్ యూ కెన్ ఇంప్లిమెంట్ ఆల్ దిస్ AI టూల్స్ యాజ్ అ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ డిజిటల్ మార్కెటింగ్, యాజ్ అ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ వాట్ అగైన్ ద డిజిటల్ మార్కెటింగ్ ఇంప్లిమెంటేషన్. ఇక్కడ మీకు చెప్పినట్టుగా యూ హ్యావ్ దిస్ మాడ్యూల్స్, సోషల్ మీడియా మార్కెటింగ్ అండ్ ఆల్సో సెర్చ్ ఇంజిన్ మార్కెటింగ్. వీటితో పాటుగా యూ వుడ్ బి లెర్నింగ్ ద సెర్చ్ ఇంజిన్ ఆప్టిమైజేషన్. దాన్ని ఏమంటామంటే SEO అంటాము. SEO స్టాండ్స్ ఫర్ ద సెర్చ్ ఇంజిన్ ఆప్టిమైజేషన్. అంటే మన వెబ్సైట్ని సో హౌ వి కెన్ ర్యాంక్ ఇన్ టాప్ పొజిషన్స్లో ఎలా ర్యాంక్ చేయాలి, ఎస్పెషల్లీ గూగుల్ సెర్చ్ ఇంజిన్లో. గూగుల్ సెర్చ్ ఇంజిన్లో ఎవరైనా మన బిజినెస్ కోసం సెర్చ్ చేస్తే మన వెబ్సైట్ ఎలా టాప్లోకి చూపించాలనేది దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్ అబౌట్ సెర్చ్ ఇంజిన్ ఆప్టిమైజేషన్. ఇక్కడ మనకి ఎలాంటి స్పాన్సర్డ్ యాడ్స్ ఉండో, ఆర్గానిక్ మెథడ్, ఆర్గానిక్గా మనం లీడ్స్ అనేవి ఎలా జనరేట్ చేయాలనేది వీ వుడ్ బి లెర్నింగ్ ఇట్ ఆన్ ద రియల్ టైమ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ ఫ్రమ్ అవర్ ఏజెన్సీ. అండ్ దిస్ ఈస్ సంథింగ్ వీ కాల్ ఇట్ యాజ్ ద సెర్చ్ ఇంజిన్ ఆప్టిమైజేషన్. The search engine optimization, and then search engine marketing, then social media marketing. And apart from this, we would be also learning website, graphic, video, WhatsApp marketing, SMS, influencer, CRM tools, and Google tools, and AI tools. So we would be learning all this. And inka chala modules unnai manaki. Podcast marketing undi, and we also have something called forum marketing antam. Okay, done. And we have something called online reputation management. We also teach on email marketing. So email marketing ela chestamu. So we would be learning all these modules in the course curriculum. Okay, done. ఈ modules అన్ని cover అవుతాయి మనకి in terms of digital marketing. And we would be learning this website development and graphic designing, and also video editing part. We would be also doing this WhatsApp marketing and SMS marketing. So we covered these modules and at the most advanced levels, and to promote any business. And then when it comes to the career opportunities, as I told before, that every business right now outside required the digital marketing. The digital marketing. So in such cases, doesn't matter it's an IT industry, and doesn't matter it's in a health, that means hospital industry or the real estate industry, that every industry is having the plenty of jobs. And manam Java gaani Python gaani నేర్చుకుంటే we can get a job only in the IT industry. But when it comes to the digital, we have the opportunities created each and every industry, including the MNC companies. But for MNC companies, we need to have the proper experience, and to crack the job, we're supposed to have the proper communication to crack all these jobs, and this is what we should be trying it for. So now our main important motto to give you the most advanced knowledge with the real-time projects, and then we would help you out to apply for experienced jobs. will be helping you to apply for experienced jobs, and so that you can get some good package to begin your career, or this advanced knowledge would be helping you out to handle freelancing projects peacefully, so that you can create your second source of income here. So this is all about brief, guys. So the Prashant and Gautam, you can have doubts into, you can ask me now.
I don't have any doubt.
Okay, perfectly all right. Yeah,
Okay, we don't have any doubts. If we
Done,
have any
Gautam.
doubts, we'll call you back later.
sure, done, Gautam, done, Prashant. So you can get in touch with them. So in case if you have any doubts, I will leave my phone number in the chat section. So 9052922256. So you can drop a message on this phone number, and so that you can get back to me in case if you have any doubts then. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
Okay, done, Prashant, done, Gautam. Have a good day. Bye bye. Yeah.